Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully, and if this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm putting the potato soup in the crock pot before we meet our daughter and her boyfriend for church. You'll notice I have my robe on. I'm putting this on about 8 in the morning, and church is at 11, and after church, they'll come over for lunch. I thaw my potatoes in the fridge overnight, and that just makes sure that they're soft and kind of mushy in the soup after they cook, but the original recipe doesn't call for that, so it's not necessary. Our dear friend Maddie told us about using frozen onion, which is the best tip ever. She uses it in her chicken salad. It gives good flavor. You can always have it on hand in the freezer with no chopping. At this point, you can add bacon and cheese, salt and pepper. Some people add garlic powder, paprika, rosemary, anything to flavor up your soup the way you like it. We keep it simple with just pepper, and we reserve the cheese and bacon and other toppings for later. That way everyone can make it the way they like it. You can cook it on high for 3 hours or on low for 5 to 6 hours. And we're back from church, and you'll notice I had the cream cheese setting out to get room temperature while we were at church. Now we'll add this and cook for another 30 minutes to an hour. And now we have time to get football going in the background, get the table set with all of our toppings, and put some rolls in the oven. These yeast rolls are easy to keep in the freezer and only take 5 to 10 minutes to cook. Time to serve up the soup and add toppings. Here is a list of ideas for different toppings you can use. This recipe is from my friend Rhonda, and I love how easy it is. I'll have the details in the description box below for you. The main tips I wanted to share are to thaw your potatoes overnight in the fridge and to use frozen onions so you don't have to chop a thing. If you're already subscribed, thank you. We are super grateful for our subscribers. If you're new, we hope you'll consider subscribing. We post new videos every week on different topics, mostly centered around family and home and fellowship, and through our videos we hope to share our gratitude with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.